The Chinese government's ban on cryptocurrency has been sending shockwaves throughout the crypto community in many ways. One of them is the fact that many cryptocurrency miners, most notably Bitcoin miners, have relocated their mining operations to other areas of the world. But before we can talk about that, we have to discuss the history of cryptocurrency bans in China. In 2013, the Chinese government instructed third-party payment services to stop accepting Bitcoin. In September of 2017, the Chinese government issued a ban on ICOs. For those of you who may be unfamiliar with ICOs, it stands for Initial Coin Offering. An ICO is when a cryptocurrency is made available to the public for the first time, similar to an IPO, Initial Public Offering, with stocks. Bitcoin prices fell 6% when this ban was announced. After this ban, despite ICOs being banned, crypto trading in China still persisted, with many Chinese traders switching to foreign platforms. The Chinese government also took the ban a step further by not allowing any Chinese financial institutions to deal with any cryptocurrencies. In 2019, the Chinese government renewed their efforts to crack down on crypto exchanges. And this brings us to 2021. In 2021, the Chinese government continued and intensified their crackdown on crypto mining operations. As of July 2021, half of China's crypto mining operations have gone dark. Some estimates put that number closer to 90%. There are likely several reasons why the Chinese government wants to ban cryptocurrencies. One reason is that cryptos aim to create a financial system independent of governments and banks, which will weaken the amount of power those institutions have, so of course they would want to ban them or limit their use. Another reason is that crypto can be used to facilitate illegal transactions, and the government wants to prevent that. A third reason could be the government wants to have more insight into who is spending money and where they are spending it, so they have that information available to them. Lastly, the government can see crypto as a means to facilitate fraud, and of course they don't want that to happen, which could further fuel their interest in banning cryptocurrencies. So where are these miners taking their mining operations now that China is no longer an option? For many miners, Texas is an alluring option. Texas has plenty of tax incentives for tech companies, as well as some of the cheapest energy prices in the United States, at least partially due to their natural gas reserves. Texas is also increasingly becoming familiar with wind and solar energy, which could aid in Bitcoin becoming an environmentally cleaner financial system. In addition, the governor of Texas, Greg Abbott, is also very crypto-friendly. In the summer of 2021, he signed a law that puts virtual currencies under the Texas Uniform Commercial Code to be a secure transaction. What that law does is define virtual currencies, establishes when a person acquires a right in it, and when a person has control of it. This is an important step to making Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies more legitimate within Texas state law, but also showing how other states may soon follow suit over the next several years. The combination of cheap energy, crypto-friendly laws, and relatively inexpensive land could make Texas the next hotspot for Bitcoin mining, as well as other forms of mining. However, it is not all cowboy hats and sunshine in Texas. One major concern is the Texas energy grid. There were widespread power outages in Texas over the past year that caused people to lose power for extended periods of time. These outages produced extreme weather events. As extreme weather events become more common, this could be a concern for Bitcoin mining. This does not seem to be a concern so far, as many miners still relocate to Texas, but it could become problematic in the future. Will Texas begin using wind and solar to make Bitcoin more environmentally stable? Those are all unanswered questions as of now and will likely be answered in the next several years. Please subscribe to Biathlon to get more videos like this, and be sure to like and comment if you learned something from this video so that we know to keep producing this type of content. Thanks for watching. Please smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.